In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Miro in Confluence. To get started, open Miro in your browser and go to the board you want to embed. It can be a brand new board or an existing one, but it needs to be the exact board you plan to share inside Confluence. Before you embed anything, it is important to confirm the sharing settings. This helps make sure the people viewing the Confluence page can actually see the Miro content without running into access errors. On the Miro board, open the sharing options and select the setting labeled Anyone with the link. This setting controls who can access the board from the embedded view. If you leave access too restricted, the embed may appear blank or require viewers to request permission. Next, adjust the permission level by clicking the role option that shows Viewer. This determines what people can do from inside Confluence. Viewer is best when you want people to see the board without changing it. If your team needs to collaborate more actively, you can select a higher permission level when appropriate, but always follow your organization's sharing guidelines. Once your access and permission settings are correct, click Embed. This opens the Embed option for the board, which is what Confluence needs in order to display the Miro content directly on the page. At this point, you are essentially preparing the board to be placed into your documentation where your team already works. Now switch to Confluence and open the page where you want the Miro board to appear. Click into the editor area, right where you want the embed to sit on the page. Make sure the cursor is positioned on its own line so the embed has room to render cleanly. Then click to highlight the area in the editor where you will insert the Miro embed content. This makes it clear exactly where the board will be placed when it loads. After the embed is added, give it a moment to render, and then check the page in Preview or Published View to confirm it displays properly for you. If something does not show up, revisit the Miro link access and permission settings and confirm they match the audience of your Confluence page. And that is all there is to it.